Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Facebook Messenger and click on the conversation where you want to send a GIF. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or any group conversation you're part of. Once you've selected the conversation, you'll see the chat window open up with your message history. Next, look at the bottom of your screen where you normally type messages. You'll notice several icons next to the text input field. Click on the emoji icon, which is typically represented by a smiley face. This icon gives you access to various fun features beyond just regular emojis, including stickers and GIFs that can help you express yourself more creatively in your conversations. After clicking the emoji icon, you'll see a menu appear with different tabs. Click on the tab labeled GIF. This will open up the GIF library where you can browse through a wide selection of animated images. GIFs are a great way to add humor, emotion, or emphasis to your messages, making your conversations more engaging and expressive. Now you'll see a collection of trending and popular GIFs displayed on your screen. You can scroll through these options to see if anything catches your eye. However, if you're looking for something specific, click on the search icon at the top of the GIF panel. This search function allows you to find exactly the type of GIF you need for any situation. In the search bar, type in a keyword that describes the GIF you want. For example, you can search for clap to find applause or celebration GIFs. The search is quite responsive and will show you results as you type, giving you plenty of options to choose from based on your keyword. Once the search results appear, you'll see various GIF options related to your search term. Under the GIF section, browse through the results and click on any GIF that you like. As soon as you click it, the GIF will be immediately sent to your conversation. There's no need to press a separate send button. The action of selecting the GIF automatically sends it to the chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent a GIF in Facebook Messenger, adding some fun and personality to your conversation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.